guys, welcome to my channel where we organize and make things beautiful. I'm Des and this is Sort and Style. Guys, another super cute idea is to dry your own oranges. What you're gonna need is oranges and an oven. You could do it in an air fryer, but I don't have an air fryer and don't you judge me for that. Guys, I'm preheating my oven to 120 degrees Celsius. And then I've got my oranges. I've also got a grapefruit because I was looking for black blood oranges because obviously my theme has got red in it. Couldn't find the blood oranges, so thought maybe a grapefruit might be nice. What we're gonna do is we're gonna slice up our grapefruit and oranges and then we're gonna put them in the oven. 120 for about 3 hours. We'll see if that, I got load shedding it. We'll see if that works because I got load shedding, I'm on a time crunch. I don't know if that's gonna work, we'll see. It hit me in the eye. You want to take the pips out. What I'm going to try and do is also try and pat them a bit drier than they are. They're very juicy, so we're gonna want to try and get as much moisture out of it as possible. Okay, so you're just gonna get a paper towel and try and dry them. Okay, so once your oven is preheated, we're gonna take out the oven rack and some parchment paper or baking paper, and I'm gonna put the orange slices on the baking paper directly on the oven rack to dry the oranges on the top and the bottom and all around, and you don't need to turn it around so much. And we're ready for the oven. Guys, I actually love how these turned out. Look how cute. I like the grapefruit one. I thought it was going to be brown. This one did come out a bit brown, but that's what happens when you burn them. And slow, not like this. I think this could actually go a little bit more, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hang it now and then it will dry by itself. So. Hey guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed making our dried oranges. Took a while, but it's worth it. And what's really nice about these, they look really cool on the tree and against the greenery and everything like that. They're so versatile. You can use it for like decorating your gifts on your gift ribbons and in your gym, making it a garnish. Like you can use it for a whole lot of stuff. So I'm actually going to make more of those, and yeah, I think it's going to turn out really, really nice. Guys, I hope you give it a try. Please do like the video, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for our upcoming DIY videos. Hint, hint. See you soon. Bye.